Okay, so this is an SX base, J base coming in for a standard setup. This is fairly common if let's say you buy a new instrument from the shop or from the factory. It's not set up right for you to actually pick up the bass or the instrument. So get this sorted out if you are a total beginner. If let's say you have a friend who actually knows how to play, get them to test it out and see if you need a setup work. If you do, then you can contact any one of the guitar techs out there to have a second opinion, to see whether you can get the instrument to be a bit more playable for you to pick up the instrument. So I see you at the end. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Okay, that's all. If you need my help, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951, and last but not least, free Palestine. Bye.